Hi, welcome to T's Journey. My name's Tanya, and this is my journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell notification. We're on our way to another ATV ride, but this time in the front of the property down to the front creek. We're going to walk the creek, eat some of the blackberries, just enjoy nature. It's a beautiful day, as you can see in the skies. Look at that. Great ATV riding day. So stay tuned. About to walk down the front of the creek to eat the blackberries and just taste the nature.
That's a good rubber, man. Got a load of water. Guys, come on, come with that. Come on.
Walking the river. Oh, this water's cold. Got the river shoes on.
It's 97 degrees. It feels good.
But the water's cold for me. I don't want to slip on a rock and go down.
We could ride the bike all the way up here. Oh, I forgot about that slippery rock.
I already said I will make sure I don't hit that slippery rock because I will fall.
Man sitting down. He knows how to cool off. Man knows how to cool off. Yeah.
Make sure no snakes are in here also. Where's the slippery rock, babes?
Huh?
Where's the slippery rock?
Right there.
How deep is the water? Can I step in the water?
Yeah, come on. It's funny.
I don't want to fall, babes. You might gotta take my time. You know it's a deep spot around here and I don't want to slip in it. It is slippery. I'm trying to take my time so I don't slip with the... Whoa! Wait a minute, babes. I'm trying to take my time so I won't slip into the water. I don't want to wet my camera up, my phone. Whoa, it's slippery. The rocks are slippery. Walking the creek. We walked the front creek. It's been a while since the storm took down the trees. Oh. Gotta go through this. I'm gonna turn around. We gotta go through this mess of. We got a chainsaw. See how I already been through it. I got bent down. Get down low.
Go up there through the creek, come on, through the bank.
Whoa, how am I get down for this little branch? Here. It's like limbo.
Huh?
It's like limbo. Oh. Oh. Camera flipped over. Woo. Woo. Whoa, move. There's water. Did we get to the blackberries yet? Whoa! I'm gonna slip. I gotta take my time. You know I gotta take my time, babes. I got a camera in my hand. I don't want to slip and fall with it in my hand.
All these trees down from that storm. Look up here.
Wow.
It's 10, 15 yards with a down tree.
Yes, it is. How you gonna get these up?
I'm gonna have to bring the chainsaw down.
I know,
here if
but would you walk up here to do it?
Come on, Star, get your foot straight. One thing I suggest we go up here.
I don't know with snakes, babes. I don't know.
I'm going first.
Okay.
Let me get this shit out of the way here. Yeah, here we go. Come on, Star. God damn, look at this tick infested.
I know,
shit.
babe.
The whole place, the trees are down everywhere.
So we're going back down?
Yeah.
I think I got a tick falling. You know I already got Lyme disease once. What is it?
Don't look like you're gonna be able to get up there. And the creek's probably like this all the way up.
We could have walked. That's where we came from, that area down there. Trees are down up here. Wow, even down here, look at that.
Roger's up here where the blackberries are. He's eating all the damn blackberries.
Look like we ain't getting the blackberries from this way, walking up the river. So we're going back to the ATV and see if we can ride it a different way. So. Nice river shoes. From are these Nikes? Huh? Me too. Yeah, because one crawled up to my breastbone and gave me Lyme disease.
Come on, you don't have Lyme disease.
I'll show y'all the tick bite and y'all tell me.
The tick bite doesn't mean Lyme disease.
Okay.
Come on, Star. Star, come on.
Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Going back to the ATV. These rocks can be slippery, so you gotta take your time. Especially when you got a camera in your hand. It got way ahead of me. See him all the way up there. Because I had to stop. Okay, babes, can I walk through the middle of this? Or should I go by the bank? Because I don't want to fall into, you know, it's a part that's really deep. And I'll drown. I go way under this branch here. Wow. It's like limbo. So turn around and show you. Get out of this little spot here. Oh! Made it. Hands a mess. Woo! Hey, babes, where's the banks? Whoop, there's Roger coming. He done left me. Whew. You on the ATV, I hear him. Wait a minute, Roger. Show mama where we gotta go. Show mama where we gotta go. Where we go. Look how deep that is. Woo, Roger. That's a good dog. That's a good dog, yeah. Oh. See, that's what I told you. Some holes are deep. Good dog to show mama. Good dog. Good puppy dog to show mommy out. Just bit me in my leg.
Stay there.
blackberries right there. See if I can get it. If it's going towards this, I can. Right there, yes, right there. Eating blackberries off the vine. I'm gonna let it get mine before he eats it all.
Now, hey, Roger.
Getting a little snackle sweet treat. See the big blackberries?
Here's some over here.
There's some right here.
I ate most of them. Look at all these.
Look.
Look at all these.
Eating some nature candy. That one?
Look at all them, huh?
That one?
Sure, reach up there and grab it.
Boy, we married life. The time.
It was the time what?
He would give me one.
There you go.
Enjoying nature's candy. Roger, you had to shake in front of me.
Yeah.
Blackberries, nice juicy blackberries right there.
Right in that creek is covered with them up
Get
there.
that big black one right there. Yeah, I told you about it, so I should get it.
There's a bunch of them back there, but I don't want to walk through all that.
That's where we saw the snake to the rail.
No,
Along
it's
this-
right over there.
I know, but it was along this bank is what I'm saying. River.
Let me see if I can get a couple of these blackberries over here. I really don't want to crawl up there. Well, there's a shitload of them back here. Look,
I see.
just out of reach.
It was good. They delicious too. To have to eat nature's candy is a blessing.
I want them. Ah! Got me. Maybe I can pull it over here.
That's thinking.
I don't think you want to come. I can get this one. This one is low.
Want me to get you a stick? There's a stick right there I can get.
Yeah.
A piece of stick you're going to hold. So there's a piece of stick right there we can break off, right?
No, no, I got one right here.
Okay, give me the,
This one's beaver dam that washed down.
yeah, give me the thing. Yeah.
Roger, man, you're cooling off. Look at him. That's my man. Oh, it's stuck on the other. Come on. Up. Lost half of them.
Go get them berries. Get there.
Man, it's hot today.
It is 97 degrees. It's good to cool down in the creek. Since you pull there's one big black one right there.
Where?
Right here, outside. Right here, we pull down. Look, right here too.
I'm trying to get these here so I can let go of this corn bush.
Okay, let me see if I can get it. Turn it around.
You can have that red one.
Which one is it? Some big ones right there. See 'em? Sweet.
Which one? One right here?
And one behind that
they're
leaf
big.
right there. One behind that leaf right there. Right here, look. Right there, I'm pointing at. Right there. One behind that leaf. You see it?
No.
Up
Right
there.
here?
No, up there by on the leaf. There you go. See it? Right there.
Here you go. It's a gift to your love. Man, I know they're exploding up on that part of the creek we can't reach. Roger was up there eating. There's a bunch back there. I just don't want to crawl through all that nasty stuff.
I agree.
Let's see if there's any of them down here. You got her?
I got her.
Here, go ahead, let me have it. I'll take her down with me. Walk in this way, see if there's any of them. That spot is that spot we can't reach.
Turn my shirt around because I got it on backwards. So I'm going to take that and turn it off. It's hot. It is hot. Out here. We want to submerge on the, in the
I
water.
wanted some blackberries. The blackberries don't stay there forever. Then other things will come in, honeysuckle and stuff like that, and then they wipe the blackberries out.
Oh, look at the mushrooms. Right there. Right there.
Right where?
You're gonna get in the way. I'm trying to film you right in the middle of it, babes. Could you move out the way, please? You see it?
A mushroom on
Right
the
there.
creek?
Yeah, up on the wall.
Oh, that little one that like brownish burgundy color with the yellow lip.
Yep. I'm trying to see if I can get a better, closer look at it.
See, these are wild grapes coming in and taking over the blackberries. That's grapes right
There it
there.
is, right there. See that mushroom right there? Little tunnel right in there.
There's a bunch of them up on the driveway.
I seen them.
You see, this is all grapes taking over everything here. See it?
Yeah.
And it's squashing out the.
Wild grapes. Are they? Have you eaten wild grapes? Are they sweet?
Yeah, I didn't plant them.
I know, but do you eat them?
Huh?
Have you eaten them before?
Yeah, but usually the animals get to them. Man, it's hot.
Yeah, it is. This water feels good on the legs, though.
Big old fish.
I know. So a couple of them jumped out the water.
You know, there was maybe 10 times that many of them in here till all that flood water came through and washed them all out. Now more of them are starting to come back. They get washed downstream. That's why it's good to fish right where a creek enters a river.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, is that a tick on your face? Come here.
Hmm?
No, it's dirt.
A tick?
No, I thought it was just dirt.
No tick on me. They're
Right.
all on you.
Huh.
Where'd Roger go?
Right there, here, eating the blackberries.
Yeah. Man, and they're right there.
And he getting them while we sitting here eating with the scraps we can come together with.
Hey, Roger.
There's Roger
What
on
you
the other
doing?
side. Yeah.
Come here. Good boy, Roger. Come here. Come see Daddy. Come on. Here he comes. Ain't no water even going over the waterfall.
I see.
Come here, Roger. Come on.
Whoa, it's deep. It's at my
It
knees.
ain't that deep.
Whoa, I'm shorter
Come on,
than
Roger.
you. If I
Come on,
stand up
Roger. He
there,
likes to
go
swim.
down in this
See,
little hole.
he can barely swim in spots.
No, he's swimming, but right here is deep.
Listen,
Little
my man.
down in there. You're right. Little fall, little rocks. He said, "Look, it's to my knees." And then you stand right in that little ditch right there. Okay, it's to his knees.
Got a lot of from when all that water came through.
To his
So
knees.
you can see down there it's not very deep.
Step right here in this little spot where I was, right here.
It's only knee deep right now.
No, but look, yours is almost thigh deep when you step in that little.
What is this mess down here?
I told you when you stepped down there.
See, this is all stuff from the beaver dam. There was a beaver dam up there about 100 yards. And all that water came gushing down there. That's where these sticks, those gnawed off on the ends. That's from the beavers. See, the water was up here. See where it deposited all that?
Yeah, see.
Roger, man, did you get all the blackberries? Huh?
Say yes, I did. Say yes,
Yeah,
I.
it's dark out. It's getting ready to rain.
It does.
Cool things off. They ain't gonna like this. They used to get a truck ride home from here. You going
Show me all the apples. Wait a minute.
It's a crab apple.
We got crab apples. A minute. So we just walked the river and cooled down, ate some blackberries, and did an ATV ride. Now we about to take a hose bath. As you can see, he's squirting me. As you may see, well, the hose bath where he's rinsing me off from the legs. Get the legs. Oh, the water is warm. Oh, it feels good. But as I see, to the next time, this is T's Journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell notification while we get rinsed off from the creek. Okay, we're going to pick some cherry tomato after we took a hose bath. I can't show the full body view because we cleaned up and I didn't feel like throwing anything else on clean. So because when you have your own land, when you got 130 acres, it's no neighbors and you're surrounded by trees, it doesn't matter how you dress. So watch as we pick out tomatoes, but we're gonna I'm gonna cover up. What's that right on there? Oh, that's on the ooh, that wasn't the tick. So Without further ado, watch how we're going to eat the cherry tomatoes off the vine. Delish. Going over to the cherry tomatoes. They sweet like candy. You will see. I like to get Rick because he's sunbathing, if you know what I mean. There's the cherry tomatoes over there. Oh, look at the tomatoes you're growing. One of them right on something, been eating on one of them.
That's the sunflowers. They didn't do too swell. It's about the worst garden I've ever had.
The peppers, cayenne peppers. Bell pepper. So.
There's more cayenne peppers. More.
Okay, here's the cherry tomatoes. Is this which one? Here, I don't see none as ripe. Oh, there's some right there. I can see.
I've been eating them. These are cayenne.
Oh my God, they're so good.
Look, look.
Cayenne.
That's cayenne. This is cayenne. That's bell over there. These are regular tomatoes. Sandwich tomatoes.
These are good.
They're gonna be perfect tomorrow.
They really are. We'll be out here tomorrow eating something. Maybe we'll have clothes on where I can show you the whole thing. But I can show you. Good.
This is lettuce. It's
good.
seed.
Sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Sweet. Good. Good tomato. This is lettuce going to seed.
All this stuff here. And down here. See the little cayennes?
I see the little cayenne. Bell pepper.
A couple more on that one.
Sandwich tomato, but dang. This is good. These are good. I gotta give me some more. Like candy. It's so sweet. These are Mexican midget. It's so sweet. I can't wait for tomorrow. Good. Good. Delicious. Again, this is T's Journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell notification. Till the next time.